Okay, so welcome to Crispy Mushrooms channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to remember 10 integrals by a short story. So the short story is about tangent x, cotangent x, secant x, and cosecant x. Okay, so the four functions are in the party, but here are the three facts about these functions. Okay, so the first one is some facts. First one is tangent x and cotangent x don't like people. Okay, but secant x and cosecant x like people very much. Okay, so here's the first fact. The second fact is cotangent x always brings a negative sign. Okay, the third one is functions will only play with functions with the same denominator. Okay, so here are the three facts. So let's begin the story. So before the party, okay, stage one, before the party. Okay, so assume that these four functions are all inside a closet, like a changing room. Yeah. Okay, so when tangent x, for example, is in the changing room, because tangent x and cotangent x don't like people, they will always lock the changing room, the locker room. Okay, so he will lock, and he will leave its numerator left out, the numerator, because you're gonna change your clothes, so you're only gonna wear your underwear. What is the underwear? The underwear is the denominator of the function, so it will become cosine x. Let's see. For cotangent x, you guess it, he will leave the numerator out, leaving its denominator as well. But one thing we need to know is that cotangent x always brings a negative sign. So it is negative, negative cancel out. So there are nothing left behind. Although he locks his room as well. So this is ln sine x plus c. Okay, then come to secant x. Secant x is different. He likes to call people into his changing room because it kind of he loves exposure. You see, the secant and cosecant x didn't wear anything on top. They only have their underwear. So he will obviously only invite people into the locker with the same denominator. So secant x is 1 over cosine. So he will obviously invite tangent. So it is secant x plus tangent x plus c. As for cosecant x, he will invite cotangent. But since cotangent always brings a negative sign, this should be minus. Okay, so after they got changed, and it's time for the party to start. And for the party, they are always gonna gathering. Okay, so secant x will only gathering with tangent x. But tangent x does not like people. Yes, they dislike people. So he will leave secant x alone. Secant x plus c. As for cosecant x, cotangent x. He will leave cosecant x alone as well, but this time he will leave the negative sign. As I said, cotangent x always leaves a negative sign. So it is only cosecant x, C. And second square x. Okay, the second square x, they don't wanna, like, you know, be with your own kind. It's kind of boring. So they're gonna call someone. So what they're gonna call, obviously, tangent x. Same for cosecant. They also hate their own kind. So they're gonna call cotangent. But as I said, cotangent always leaves a negative sign. Okay, so how about when tangent x are with tangent x? Since tangent x hates people really much, they will ask other tangent x to get out, leaving a negative x. So this is tangent x minus x plus c. As for cotangent x, they will ask people to leave as well. But as I said, cotangent x always brings a negative sign. Cotangent x minus x plus c. You see, this is before the party, when they are all alone inside the locker. You can assume the lawn is a locker. And during the party, where between people are gathering between people, but there are only 2 people maximum, all right? So you can remember like these 10 integrals by this short anecdote. All right, so that's the video for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.